Okay? So, relief prints. Ayun. So ito yung ano, ito yung parang kumbaga dun sa mga pag nagdadasto tayo. Ayan. So gagawin din natin 'yan. Parang pag nagtatato, 'di ba, ini-imprenta natin yung itatato, then ididikit natin, then siya ay mag-iiwan ng patse doon sa or ng bakat or pag dinasto natin, mag-iiwan siya doon sa pinaglaglagyan natin. Then yun yung mismong guguhitan or i-carve para magkaroon ng design. Okay? So merong intaglio prints. So made when a design is scratched into a matrix, usually a metal plate. Ink is wiped across the surface and collects in the scratches. Okay? So, as you can see dyan, ayan ang kanyang itsura ng, ng intaglio prints. Yeah. Next natin is stencil prints. So, they are made by passing inks through a porous fine mesh matrix. Ayan. So, ito naman yung pagka tayo nagpapilox, yung nag-spray paint. So para mas mapakita yung design or mas lumitaw yung design, ay ang ginagawa natin yan, kinakat natin yung gusto nating maging design, and then ipapatch natin ito sa may flat surface, then mag-i-spray, magre-retain na yung design. Next, woodcut. So this kind of technique of printing designs from planks of wood incised parallel to the vertical axis of the wood's grain. So dito, ginagamit ito din parang dun sa sa stamp. 'Di ba pag nagpapagawa ng stamp sa bayan, though hindi siya wood, pero may mga made out of wood, pero yung ginagamit nila ay parang matigas na parang rubber, na pinong rubber, na doon nila dinadasto yung yung i-imprenta. Ayan, then lalagyan niya ng ink, then ipapatse. Para siyang stamp pad. Sa stamp, ipapatse sa stamp pad. So, para siyang no? Ayan. Next, engraving. So, when we say engraving, so this is the design is cut into a metal, with a graver or burin. So the cutting is accomplished by pushing the burin into the metal plate. Ayan. So the burin is this one, And then this is the metal plate. So dinidesign nila yung metal plate. Usually nga or ayan ay nilalagay nila for stamps. Ayan, engraving. Not just only for for stamps or documentary stamps, mga something ganun, Yung mga pang dry seal, di ba? Ayan 'yon, ganun 'yon. And also engraving ng names dun sa mga rings nyo, may mga promise ring, ganun. Yung mga ring na may mga date at saka may mga names na nilalagay. So, these are the techniques of sculpture. Number one is carving, modeling, casting, and fabrication. So, materials of the sculpture are the following: stone, granite, and basalt, marble, jade, and wood. Meron ding ivory, 'di ba? Yung ivory, ito yung from elephants, yung kanilang parang yung sa mammoth, alam niyo bang mammoth, yung malaking elephant na may horn, yung parang may sungay dito sa bandang bibig. Okay. So, ganun, dun made out of ivory yon. Metals, brass, copper, gold, and silver. Meron din sa lead, plaster, clay, glass, plastics, luminal sculptures, So, these are the mediums of architecture: post and lintel, arch, truss, skeleton construction, cantilever. Ayan. So, mediums of music are the following: musical instruments, instrumental groups, conductor, human voice. So, mediums of literature or language. mediums of combined arts. Ito na dito yung dance, theater, television, and cinema. So, when we say performance art, so, syempre, it is a form of art na pinaperform. Okay? So, an interdisciplinary art form that brings together elements of time, space, bodies, and audiences. So, it refers to the form of art where an artist uses his own face, body, and presence. So, the major types of performing arts include music, opera, dance, drama, and spoken word. And even the spoken poetry. So when we say music, it is a form of art whose medium is silence and sound. So it is derived from the Greek word mosaic, which means the art of the muses. Its common elements are rhythm, pitch, dynamics, timbre, and texture. Ayan, opera naman, it is a form of performing arts wherein musicians and singers perform a dramatic work that combines text, which is called the libretto, and musical score. It is usually done in an opera house and is accompanied by either musical ensemble, okay, or an orchestra. Dance. So it is a form of performing arts that refers to the art of moving the body rhythmically and usually in accordance to music. So it is used as a form of social interaction and expression. So it can be seen as a form of nonverbal communication. So napakarami ng genres ng dance and even ng singing. Drama and originated from the Greek word drao, which means action. Usually enacted by actors on stage for an audience or for the audience. Spoken word, lastly. So used as an entertainment or musical term referring to works that are intended to be performed by a single person who will speak by himself naturally. Siyempre, it consists poetry, storytelling, and speeches. Transcreation, a term used chiefly by advertising and marketing professionals to refer to the process of adapting a message from one language to another while maintaining its intent, style, tone, and context. So, these are the references then. Ano? So, that's all for today. Our topic. Ayan. So, this are the art and the artisan for our lesson. And thank you. Ingat kayo. Ayun. So, kapag tinapos mo hanggang dito sa dulo, okay, very good. So, ang ating code for the activity na ilalagay ninyo sa paper, wag niyong kakalimutan, dalaygon. Ano, so dun sa part, sa mga secret parts, so wag niyo sasabihin sa iba niyong kaklase, ano, for additional points. Dalaygon. Da-lay-gon. Okay? So, yan lamang. Thank you. Bye. Ingat kayo.